Finn Park has searched the world over looking for the greatest Western tricksters of all time. However, we could not find any. So, we got you these guys instead. So put your hands together for the star of the show, Wild Bill Hickok!
I'm Wild Bill Hickok. This here's Wild Bill Hickok's Wild West Show. Now let's start off with a howdy. I didn't quite hear you. Howdy.
Howdy.
Third time's a charm. Howdy. Roscoe.
Bill, knock knock.
Who's there?
Boo.
Boo-hoo.
Oh, don't cry, Bill. It's the start of your show.
Get back there. Let me introduce to you all the one and locally the only Sheriff Roscoe. That ain't my best music. Roscoe, get out here. You got a motor and a mower. Roscoe! You can't be dancing like that. This here's a family show.
Well, I know it's a family show, Bill, and they were loving it.
Woo-hoo! Howdy, fellas!
Annie, I'll treat everybody.
Hi there.
Howdy, Bill.
Hey, Annie, it's nice and all to see you, but what you doing here so early?
Roscoe, I'm not early. I'm here for the celebration.
Let's run the celebration.
You do, we ain't got time for a celebration. Come on, make a mess of it. Get up here.
Abort! Abort!
Roscoe, my show ain't some kind of party.
Well, not anymore.
Oh, Bill, don't be mad. We're all just excited about the election.
All right, wait, what election?
That's right, Bill. I'm running for president.
Cut the music. Roscoe, you cannot run for president.
Well, sure I can, Bill. I'm gonna make the West great again.
I bet you make this show great again.
Does that mean I can count on your vote?
You can count on this.
I can count on my fingers and toes.
Roscoe, you know what we need?
Acting lessons.
No, a Daredevil.
Oh, Bill, and I forgot to tell you, we got a daredevil and he's ready to go.
A boy or girl. My West is equal opportunity.
Go, Roscoe!
You take focus. All right, folks, I've gotten you the best.
Third.
The best.
Third.
What, Roscoe?
Well, Bill, we got the third best daredevil.
Roscoe, I gave you enough money to get these fine folks. The very best Daredevil.
Well, Bill, campaigning ain't cheap.
You spent all my money on my campaign.
No, not all of it.
And he got me this here gun.
You let Andy do good.
I need Secret Service bill.
Get back to my show. They're talking about the Daredevil.
Oh, well, Bill, the Daredevil's name is Daredevil Dan. And as we speak, Dan is being loaded into a human-sized cannon.
It's a big one.
Right over yonder on Tiki. Does he know he goes in the cannon feet first?
Flip him around.
Feet first. Feet first.
Roscoe, you got me a Daredevil. Like you can get in the cannon on that.
Well, Bill, it's his first day.
Then why you hire him?
Because he was on sale.
I'm sorry, folks. As soon as that Daredevil figures out how to load himself into a cannon, we're gonna light that fuse. Shoot him through the air.
Through the air.
And that is where Roscoe
Here plants me.
That's him.
He's gonna catch it with a net.
Annette, Bill, what does she look like? Does she have long hair, brown hair, blue eyes, green eyes? Bill, is she pretty?
Who?
Annette.
Not a net, a person. A net.
Amy, what is he? Oh, they catch you.
Catchy thing.
And it looks like he's ready to go. Drum roll, please. Amy, are you ready?
I'm ready to.
Roscoe, are you ready?
I'm ready to.
Fire!
Fire! Fire! Get the water!
You just made that up.
I did not. It stands for victim. Dan,
Well,
right?
how's it work,
I'll
Roscoe?
show you this way. First things first, you gotta stand over your victim, like so. Then you get a nice cookie in your back. Then you pucker your lips. You put your lips to the victim's lips, and you blow.
There.
Everybody!
He's incredible. saying?
It's a metaphor.
Hey, metaphor.
M-E-T. Four.
I understand that.
Now this is a story all about how your show got flipped turned upside down. I'd like to take a minute just sit right there and say I've been a sheriff in the middle of nowhere.
My show is not me. Oh, man. Damn. Roscoe, get over here.
In West Yellow, born and raised on the carousel, where I spent most of my days chilling out next to like an automobile, shooting some cans outside the saloon. Jane came up to where I stood, so we need a new sheriff in this neighborhood. She gave me one shiny badge, jumped in right there, and I'm sheriff with a hat and a badge and a tail.
Get off.
It wasn't that bad, Bill.
Almost threw my new sheriff.
Bill, look who I found, it's a Rose.
That what you spent my money on.
We had Rose. She needs water.
She needs a new owner.
I'll drink up, sweetheart. That's better. What? Bill, guess what she told me?
Nothing, Roscoe. She can't talk.
Well, she can't write, Bill. She said she drank too much.
Your mother drank too much.
No, Bill, she...
Roscoe, I thought you said that thing was trained.
She is trained, Bill. Fire.
Over the fence.
But I love her, and I love my shop.
But you two are ruining it.
One man Rose Abbey's special.
Well, you and Rose Haley is split. Over the fence.
I'll never let go, Rose. I'll never let go. Oh, baby. She let go. She let go.
Roscoe, you are not Celine Dion, and my show is not the Titanic.
Are you sure, Bill? 'Cause it looks like we're sinking.
Then sit down, you iceberg.
How do you do? He's looking right at me, isn't he?
Yes, he is. Can I have a word with you over here?
Of course. 1 second, Rose.
No. All right, Roscoe over here is gonna roll most of that TNT into the grate. Now remember, don't stand it.
I'm making sure it's fresh.
Remember, Roscoe, 1 or 2 sticks, not the whole thing. We're gonna blow him up, not kill him.
Oh!
It's time for interruptions and distraction.
Bill, wait, look.
Why?
It's a boom box.
Sit it down and get to work.
Set it down and to work.
Roscoe, you can't be dancing like that. We got kids out here.
What you're saying at me? And you have kids out here?
Not a few.
When did we get married?
Roscoe, you can't be up here shaking your boot.
What do you think?
I'm getting real tired of this talk. Roscoe, get in your spot.
I'm gonna get to my spot.
Hey! Welcome back to the stage, Daredevil Dan.
There he is, everybody. There he is.
Oh, come on, man. This is your big moment. I didn't even realize I'm on screen.
All right, Dan, get in the box. Roscoe, get him!
I got him, Bill.
Roscoe, be careful. It's not going to get that strange telephone.
In you go. Wait a second. Oh, shit, that was a close one.
Roscoe, where's my hat?
Well, I guess it's in the box.
Then get it.
I don't want to. Hey, let's start this countdown and say 20.
We count down from 10. We count down from 10.
Oh, shucks. I never got to take my boots off.
10.
10,
10,
9.
9,
4,
Roscoe.
3, 2, big ol' 1.
Wait a minute. Well, who's that?
It's the war guy.
It is not the Walmart guy, that's Tim. Yes.
Get it!
Yeah. Don't trick me. Come on, little lady, we got work to do.
Oh, I'm gonna get you down there, you.
This way, Andy!
Which way? Roscoe, where are you
I'm
going?
coming, Bill!
Hey, get in the pop. Come here, get.
This way, Andy! Bill! Willie,
My hair, my son, my show's girl. Breeze, give me all your money. Roscoe, get out of the bed, man.
where, Bill, where?
Breeze. Roscoe,
Bill,
where's Annie?
well, I don't know.
Where's Stan?
Are we still looking for him?
Yeah.
Well, Bill, don't worry. All the dynamite's in the crate. We don't need that. We'll just blow the box. In 3, 2, and a big old.
Roscoe, did you say all the TNT?
Yes, 1.
Roscoe,
This is not my fault.
this is all your fault.
Now,
I told you 1 or 2 cents.
well, at least the daredevil wasn't in.
Get out of the box, Roscoe.
I am not the seal on that nasty.
Get out of the box.
I wanna. It don't look that bad.
It's got a hole in it. Well,
I can fix it.
no.
Not this old thing, it's ruined. I got you a new hat.
There was a new head.
Try on.
Ow.
Bill, look. Now you can always have it your way.
Where'd you get it?
Well, the same place I got all of them.
Damn.
Yeah, in it.
Damn, you're alive. You're alive.